Good vibes at Groovin' in the Park. But the plug pulled on Busy to accommodate R. Kelly.
Pleasant day in New York for an outdoor gig. Taurus, Busy and R. Kelly expected to draw a record crowd to Roy Wilkins Park, but E.R. diverting to Bracca's Clam and Oyster Bar before the big event. New Yorkers brunching on decent portions of super fresh seafood. The sidewalk scene easy like Sunday morning. But diners serious about their food. Oysters a menu must at Bracca's. A nice way to ease into a new day. We're happy. Music's good too. Back at the park, it's chop chop as food vendors get into gear for Groovin' in the Park, dispensing everything from sky juice to patties to ackee and saltfish and jerk pork.
Fresh thing are going anyway, right? What kind of patty? That chicken patty, spicy, straight from yard.
Yo, the food ready, me I tell you. Ackee patty, fresh, you know, fresh juice to my juice same time.
Gourmet, vegan, delicious, healthy food.
The largely Caribbean crowd expecting home-style cooking, along with island music.
Say yeah, yeah, yeah. Say groovin', groovin'. We're groovin', groovin'. I love living this way. I love you all, we're family. Walk on the park. That's because you're living in New York and call yourself American. Make some nice to represent the Caribbean. Big up St. Lucia, big up St. Vincent, big up Trinidad, big up Tobago, big up everyone. But don't forget to big up our proud Jamaican. We in the park now.
I'm an artist, an independent artist that just give you cultural music, love songs. I don't really bring too much controversy to the camera, so sometimes people say we're boring, but we represent the music and we're doing it in fine style.
Taurus Riley's sing-along high-energy set followed by a nod to the past. Lloyd Park's Ibukupa and the string section backing you, Roy. Ken Booth, Leroy Sibbles, and Freddie McGregor. Memories by the Score.
I love to see some youth will come out because when we started this, none of them youth, the parents never even know them yet, you know. So this is so much young people come take in this Patreon show. It's like, yeah, we have to big them up and give them thanks for that, yeah.
We are the guys that started to have strings in our songs, you know. Me and Jimmy Cliff, John Holt, and many, many more. You know, Bob Andy with Marsha Griffiths, John Kipton Black. At one time in England, it was strings, you know. We're the bed. We're part of the bed for the rhythm. Yeah. So I love it. You know, I love quality music, and that's what we got today.
Busy Signal ready for his first US performance, but didn't get to finish his set, which was apparently cut short so that R. Kelly's could start on time.
I don't want them draw me on either. Cause them feel overstand say, yo, no one of this is my first time here to perform. Don't try to cut us my time here to perform. See? We have a contract. Chris and Drew, we have a contract. So one must line up on the show which part artists work on them time. Because when they are from early. Busy Signal contract says 5 p.m. performance start. Me not try to play by my Jamaica love, you know. Every flag rise up now. The one I flag them round sign up. Every flag rise up, you know. New York, don't give me
the plug seemingly pulled and Busy left fuming, although the promoters later denied cutting short his performance.
If me can't perform, R. Kelly can't perform neither.
A police helicopter circled overhead whilst fans vented. And cops made sure the situation didn't get out of control.
And for respect the people, when the people them want to see the artists them to listen to the people them.
We apologize for that. So you're telling me that we can't make it up to you?
The Groovin in the Park audience peeved, but staying put for R. Kelly.
Where are all of the real R. Kelly fans at it tonight?